Class 9 Subject Biology Long Questions Unit Number 1. Write detailed answers for the following questions. Question number 1. How the understanding of biology can be improved? Through the knowledge of geography, chemistry, and statistics. Give examples. Answer number 1. Understanding biology can be enhanced through knowledge of number 1. Geography. Geography helps in studying the distribution of species and ecosystems. For example, understanding the geographical distribution of certain plants can provide insights into their adaptations to different environments. Number 2. Chemistry. Chemistry is essential for comprehending biological processes at the molecular level. For example, knowledge of biochemistry is crucial to understand how enzymes function in metabolic pathways. Number 3. Statistics. Statistics are used in biology to analyze data and draw meaningful conclusions. For instance, statistical analysis can help determine the correlation between environmental factors and the prevalence of diseases in a population. Question 2. Define biology. How can you describe your own body under different branches of biology? Definition of biology. Biology is the scientific study of living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environments. Number 1. Anatomy. Anatomy focuses on the structure and organization of the body. It describes the various organs, tissues, and systems in your body, such as the circulatory system, nervous system, and skeletal system. Number 2. Physiology. Physiology deals with the functions and processes of living organisms. It can describe how your body regulates processes like metabolism, respiration, and digestion. Number 3. Genetics. Genetics explores the inheritance of traits and the role of DNA. It can be used to describe your body in terms of inherited traits, genetic disorders, and the molecular mechanisms behind genetic information. Number 4. Immunology. Immunology is the study of the immune system. It can describe how your body defends against pathogens and diseases, and how it maintains immunity etc. Question number 3. Enlist the various levels of biological organization and explain it with an example. Answer. Number 1. Molecular level. At this level, life is organized into molecules such as DNA, proteins, and lipids. Example no, which carries genetic information. Number 2. Cellular level. Cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. Example a human skin cell. Number 3. Tissue level. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. Example muscle tissue. Number 4. Organ level. Organs are composed of different types of tissues and perform specific functions within an organism. Example the heart, which pumps blood. Number 5. Organ system level. Organ systems are groups of organs that work together to carry out major bodily functions. Example the digestive system, which processes food. 6. Organism level. This is the individual living organism, such as a plant or an animal. And UMBR 7. Population level. Populations consist of a group of organisms of the same species in a given area. Example a population of deer in a forest. Number 7. Community level. A community includes all populations of different species in a particular ecosystem. Example various plants, animals, and microorganisms in a forest ecosystem. Number 8. Ecosystem level. An ecosystem consists of all living organisms in a given area and their interactions with each other and the physical environment. Example a freshwater pond ecosystem. Number 8. Biosphere level. The biosphere is the sum of all Earth's ecosystems where life exists. Example the entire planet Earth. Question number 4. Explain the role of bioelements for living organisms. Answer. Bioelements, also known as essential elements or biogenic elements, are the chemical elements that make up living organisms. These elements are crucial for various biological processes and are essential for life. They can be divided into two main categories: macronutrients and micronutrient. 1. Macronutrients. A. Carbon. C. The backbone of organic molecules, including carbohydrates, proteins, and nucleic acids. B. Hydrogen. H. A key component of water and organic compounds. C. Oxygen. O. Essential for respiration and energy production. D. Nitrogen. N. Vital for the structure of micronutrients. A. Trace elements like iron Fe, zinc Zn, copper Cu, and manganese Mn are essential for enzyme function. B. Other trace elements like iodine I and selenium Se are required for thyroid function and antioxidant defense. C. Calcium Ca is crucial for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and bone health. D. Magnesium Mg is involved in various metabolic processes. Question 5. Who classify the living organisms into 5 kingdoms? Explain each kingdom with the living organisms included in it. Answer. The classification of living organisms into 5 kingdoms was proposed by Robert H. Whitaker in 1969. These 5 kingdoms are: Number 1. Kingdom Monera. This kingdom consists of the simplest and most primitive organisms, which are unicellular and lack a true nucleus. Monera includes bacteria and blue-green algae cyanobacteria. Number 2. Kingdom Protista. Protists are primarily unicellular eukaryotic organisms. This kingdom is diverse and includes protozoa, algae, and slime molds. They are more complex than the organisms in the Monera kingdom and have a true nucleus. Number 3. Kingdom Fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that are primarily non-photosynthetic. They obtain their nutrients through absorption and include mushrooms, yeasts, and molds. Fungi play a crucial role in decomposition and nutrient cycling. Number 4. Kingdom Plantae. This kingdom comprises multicellular photosynthetic organisms. Plants are characterized by their ability to produce their own food through photosynthesis. They include a wide variety of species, from mosses and ferns to flowering plants and angiosperms. Number 5. Kingdom Animalia. Animals are multicellular, heterotrophic organisms with complex tissues and organ systems. They exhibit a wide range of body structures and behaviors. This kingdom includes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and a vast array of invertebrates like insects and mollusks.